Hey there, if you are a GoHighLevel agency owner, then you may know that managing multiple different client sub accounts inside the GoHighLevel is not easier, because inside the GoHighLevel there are no central place where you can take a look all of the sub accounts at a single time and get all the information. Even though inside your agency you can just see the list of all of your sub accounts, but to get the information like how many leads a sub account got for last 30 days, how many opportunities, how many appointments they got, what's their pipeline value right now. To know all of this information, you need to switch each and every single account one by one, right? So there's the reason we have built a system inside GHL SaasKits. We called it Agency Hub, and the Agency Hub is your central place to take a look all of your agency sub accounts. Let's say for example you have hundreds of different sub accounts and you want to know which account is going critical, which account need attention, which account is getting enough leads, enough opportunities, enough appointments for your client, which account actually engaging with the conversation, what's their average conversation engaging time. Like this of the information is really valuable, because when someone join under your agency, they actually want to get value. That is the reason they will keep continue with your agency, otherwise they will leave the agency and you will just lose the client. So there's the reason we have developed this system inside the GHL SaasKits, and now you just need to connect your GHL agency account, and from there you will get all the information you need to know for each and every single account. You can see here in my dashboard, I have connected one of my agency accounts, and it has 8 sub accounts right now, and 2 of them are going critical. So why they are critical? Because this sub accounts actually not getting enough leads, enough opportunities, enough appointments, enough pipeline values right now. When I just see this, I know that this account actually need attention. When you just land on this dashboard, you will see all the information for your GoHighLevel agency, like any number of account you have, you will see all the statistics. Okay, so let me just open another sub account so that I can show you some more information. You can see here, for this sub account over last 30 days it gets 355 leads, 118 opportunities, and 90 appointments, and their pipeline value is now about 71 grand. Like, and also the show rate, the average first response, unanswered last 24 hours. Okay, so the unanswered message last 24 hours, we'll see the information here, as well as we can also see the opportunity funnels, the appointments, okay, the number of appointments. So all the information, as well as when we need to show all this information to the client, then we may need to have the report. So you can just create that report within a single click. All you just need to select the number of days, like for last 7 days or last 30 days. Okay, just select that and click here. It will give you the full detailed report for this specific account, and also you see the statistics chart here. And also one more thing, this is very important. For each and every single day, we will see how many contacts, how many opportunities, how many appointments and conversation this specific sub account get. Okay, this information is valuable because clients actually join with you to get value, to just increase their revenue and grow their business. So if you just get all the information at a glance in front of you all the time, that actually help you to know which account need attention, which account actually going good, which account is going bad, so that you can take action for each and every single account in timely manner, right? This is one of the most requested feature from our existing customers. We also got a lot of different emails from our customers. They actually wanted to get this type of system so that they can manage their agency properly, like they can get all the information they need to know for each and every single sub accounts. Okay, so now you can also use this system. Okay, all you just need to go to our website, like called GHL You will get the link into the description of this video. Just go there and also just subscribe here and just connect your GoHighLevel agency account within a single click, and then it will get all the information and you will see this. Okay, so one time connection, and then you are good to go. You don't need to do anything. It will automatically pull all the information you need to know for each and every single sub accounts you have. I think you get the idea how powerful this feature is to manage your GoHighLevel agency, and also how actually it help you to grow your business and keep your existing clients fully managed, as well as they would not leave your agency because you are giving enough attention each and every single accounts. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video. Have a nice day.